Today I'm checking out this belt conveyor that was sent to us so we could do the review. Let me get it out of the box. We're going to see everything it comes with, put it together, and test it out. All right, and these are all the parts that came with it. The conveyor, which actually right now is upside down. It's got the conveyor motor already put on. It's got the legs there, brace, some guides, and then a bag full of hardware, and then the manual. So really, everything you need is right there. There's not much assembly. I'm going to go ahead and get it put together, and we're going to test it. All right, and here it is all put together. It's a good sized conveyor belt here. I do have it plugged in. The motor is here. The rack for you to put product or whatever's making the product there. It's very sturdy. And it's got this little control panel here for you to run it. The red light means that it's getting power. I have it plugged in. It can run in forward or reverse mode. So this would be probably reverse mode. And then if I put it the other way, I guess that would be forward mode. And it can run at different speeds, of course, all the way down to nothing. So you kind of have infinity settings all the way up to this fast. So really cool, really easy to use. You can go all the way down. I mean, I had this thing going really super slow where, I mean, it was just barely moving. And of course you can go up higher. Does well. If you do notice the belt pulling one side or the other on the track, there are adjustments on this end down here. These Allen key holes, you just use one of the Allen keys it came with and you tighten or loosen to adjust it left or right, which also adjusts the belt staying centered. When I first got it assembled and turned on, the belt was pulling to this side and eventually it was rubbing against this. All I had to do was tighten this up a little here, started moving this way, and then I tightened up a little here, loosened it until I got it where it was really tracking pretty much perfect. And that's all you have to do to get that tracking right. Very cool. That's a great little conveyor for your manufacturing process. You have your machine here making your product, dropping it out on the conveyor. Of course, if the machine's here, you probably want the conveyor going that way, but again, it's reversible, so really cool. Nice and stable. It's got adjustable legs, tons of adjustment on it, cross members, everything to just make this a nice little conveyor. And again, if your product's not real heavy, if you have a really heavy product, there is a weight limit on this. And of course, the heavier the product is, the quicker this belt will probably wear. But if you're making small little, I don't know, little plastic widgets or whatever, I mean, this would be great. Assembly was pretty much nothing. You just had to put the legs on, and that was just some Allen key bolts, real simple. Anyways, I really like it. I think you will too. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.